Good morning, children. Let us start with our new chapter number 8, Mapping Your Way. Now, here we are talking about Google Map. You have seen in the mobile phone what is Google Map. That means the distance between a city or the distance between two places which is given, or in which direction the given place or the given thing is situated. Okay. Now see here, Ashi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade with the other children of her school. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. To the right of the president is the India Gate. Now see, India Gate is on the right side of the president. This was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. There are lots of people sitting on both sides of Rajpath, the main road along which the parade passes. Children are talking about the buildings they can see around them. Okay? Now see here. Look, Aditi, this is India Gate. Now see, this boy is saying to Aditi, see Aditi, this is India Gate. Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. So that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. Here is a photograph taken from a helicopter. You can see Rajpath, the road which joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mark where on Rajpath will Aditi be. Now, see, this is a photograph taken from helicopter. And this road is Rajpath which joins India Gate. This is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, this is the map of the photos given here. Now, you have to match the map and the photo, and then you have to answer some questions. Now see, our first question is, have you seen a map of a city? Then our answer is yes. Look at the map 1, match it with the photo and find out where India Gate is. Now आपको map 1 देखना है और फोटो के साथ देख के आपको बताना है where is India Gate. Now see, in the photo, India Gate is here. So where will be India Gate on the map? See here, it is here. Understood? Now a second question. Some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in the photo. Now see, here in the map some roads are given. See, Vijay Chowk, Rafiq Marg, जनपथ मार्ग और मानसिंह रोड, कस्तूरबा मार्ग, जाकिर हुसैन रोड, तिलक मार्ग, etc. Now you have to show this in the photo. Now see, this is Rafiq Marg, Janpat Marg, Mansingh Road. See here, this is Kasturba Marg. Here it is Zakir Hussain Road, Tilak Marg, etc. Okay. Now our third question is, name the roads that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Now we have to name the road that will cross on the way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Now see, here is Rashtrapati Bhavan and here is India Gate. So you have to name the roads. Now see, first is Vijay Chowk, then Rafiq Marg, then Janpat Marg, then Dr. Mansingh Road. Now, fourth question is, look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? Now see, in the map we can see National Stadium here. But can you see here in the photo? No. So our answer is no. Understood? The central hexagon. If we zoom in to look more closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. Now see, this is map number 2. When we zoom this map, it looks clearly like this way. Now see, look at the shape of the yellow area. Have you seen this shape before? How many sides does it have? Now see here, this yellow portion. What is the shape of this yellow part? This is hexagon. And how many sides does an hexagon have? 6 sides. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you have to find out from the map and answer the following questions. If you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park be? Now see, this is Rajpath Road. And if you are walking on this road and after India Gate, now if you are standing here, suppose if you are standing here, then you have to answer on which side would be Children's Park. Now see, where is Children's Park? Here. That means on the right side of India Gate is Children's Park. Understood? Number 2. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Now first is Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. Now see here. See here. This is Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. Then Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. Now see, where is Ashoka Road? See, this is Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. See, here is an angle formed. Next is Janpath and Rajpath. See, here also an angle formed. Now you have to say which of these roads make the biggest angle. Now see, this is an acute angle. And see, this angle is right angle. So see, this is an more than a right angle. That means which of these road make the biggest angle between them? That is Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. Understood? Now question number 3. Which of the above pairs of roads cut at right angles? Now you have to answer which road cut at right angle. Now see, here you can see Janpath Road and Rajpath Road, that is cut at a right angle. Understood? Next is waiting for the parade. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. Now the route of the parade is, it starts from Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg and ends on Red Fort. Okay. Now map number 3 is given. You have to answer some questions given at the next page. Okay. Now our first question is, trace the route of the parade in map 3. Now in this map you have to trace the route of the parade. Okay. Now the parade starts from Vijay Chowk and ends in Red Fort. Okay. So now see here, where is Vijay Chowk? Now see here, from here Vijay Chowk. Start from Vijay Chowk, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vijay Chowk, and like this way you have to, now see, like this way from here, then from here like this way, see, from here to here. Understood? That means it starts from Vijay Chowk and ends at Red Fort. Okay. Now our second question is, look at the map carefully and find out which of this is the longest road. Which road is the longest road? Now option is given: B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg and Tilak Marg. Now see here, this is Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, B.S. Marg, Subhash Marg and next is Tilak Marg. From these three you have to find which is the longest road. Now see, Tilak Marg is from here to here. फिर Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg is from here to here, and Subhash Marg is from here to here. So which road is the longest? Subhash Marg. Understood? Now our third question. Second, then question number B. If Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. And the total route of the parade is about how long. Now see, our next question is, if Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. Now see, Rubia, see, from Jama Masjid she joins the parade. So from Jama Masjid to Red Fort is 1 centimeter. How much is 1 centimeter? Here it is 1 centimeter. Now see in the map, it is given, the scale is given. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. 2 centimeter जो है वो 1 kilometer है. तो 1 centimeter means how much? That is half of 1 kilometer. That is 0.5 kilometer. Okay. Now next is the distance. The total route of the parade is how long? Now see, it is given the total route of the parade is 16 centimeter. How much it is? 16 centimeter. That means scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Then 16 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8 kilometer. Understood? Next is map number 4. That means this is the map of Red Fort. Now by seeing this map, you have to answer the questions given on the next page. Okay. Now our first question is, which of these is nearer to river Yamuna? The Diwane Aam or the Diwane Khas? Now see, where is Yamuna river? Yamuna river is here. So which is nearer? Diwane Khas. See, here is Diwane Khas and here is Diwane Aam. So which is nearer? The near is Diwane Khas. Understood? Now second question. Between which two building is Aram Ghar? Now see, where is Aram Ghar? See, Aram Ghar is between Rang Mahal and Diwane Khas. Okay. Now our third question is, which building do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to the Hammam? So from Rang Mahal to Hammam, which two building you will pass through? So see, Rang Mahal is here, Hammam is here. So which two building you will go through? That is Aram Ghar and Diwane Khas. Understood? Now our next question is, which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazar? Now see, Meena Bazar is here and which is farthest? See here. See, Hammam. Hammam is, here is Hammam. So Hammam is farthest from Meena Bazar. Now about how far is Lahori Gate from Diwane-e-Khas? Now see, here is Diwane-e-Khas and where is Lahori Gate? Here it is. Now let us see. Put your scale here and this centimeter side you can see from here. Diwane-e-Khas to Lahori Gate. See here, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, the distance between Diwane-e-Khas and Lahori Gate is 6 centimeter. And see here in our book, it is given scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. So 6 centimeter is equal to 6 into 100 is equal to 600 meter. Understood? Next is make it bigger, make it smaller. Now see, here are some pictures drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. Try making the same picture on a 2 centimeter grid and also on half centimeter grid. One picture is already done. Now see, some pictures are given on a 1 centimeter grid. Now you have to try making this picture on half centimeter grid as well as 2 centimeter grid. Now our question is, the side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Does its area also become 2 times bigger? Now see, this is 1 centimeter grid. That means area of a square is side into side. So this is area of a square is side into side. The side area is equal to side into side. That is, if it is 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter square. Now our question is, if the side of the square was made 2 times bigger, does its area also become 2 times bigger? Now this was 1 centimeter. If we make it's 2 times bigger, that means if its side is 2 centimeter. Now see here, 2 centimeter. Then if the side is 2 centimeter, side is equal to 2 centimeter, then area is equal to side into side. That is 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That is 4 centimeter square. That means when the side of the square is made 2 times bigger, then its area also becomes 4 times bigger than its original area. Understood?